This is the most common vowel sound in English. In fact, about 25% of all the vowels that we say are this sound. It's this one here. We call it schwa. We also call it the unstressed vowel. To make this vowel sound, we're going to start from a very relaxed position. We're going to take some air from the lungs and we're going to blow it out. The lips are rested, the tongue is rested at the bottom of the mouth. We're going to have and that's it. Simple as that. Now, because this is the unstressed vowel, it can be spelled in almost any way. I'm going to go through a few of the spellings for you now so that you can practice along with me. In the caption of this video, I have given you a free guide to all the vowel sounds of British English so that you can practice yourself. So here we are, schwa with the letter A. For example, in about, sofa, banana with the letter E, problem, wanted, bigger with the letter I, for example, pencil, family with the letter O, for example, doctor, lemon, harmony with the letter U, supply, support, with ER, for example, teacher, writer, driver, OUR, like favour, colour, neighbour. So remember that this vowel sound is never stressed, and being able to weaken or not stress sounds properly, to make these as a schwa sound properly, will really lift how you sound. You will sound much better when you speak English if you can include lots and lots and lots of these schwa sounds. Very well done. I'll see you in the next video.